Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and my name is Nidhi. Today I want to show you the My Blocks. So what is My Blocks? My Blocks is a blog where you can make your own blocks by yourself. Okay? So I am in My Blocks right now. If I click on make a block, and for now I'm just gonna give here tutorial block and need time to type. Oops. Tutorial, I spelled it wrong. I didn't know I was capital. Tu- tu- tutorial, then B L O C K. Tutorial blocks. And guys, you have to give, wait, let me show you. You have to give run without screen refresh. This is run without screen refresh. Run without screen refresh. Or something wrong can happen. Clicking on OK. And this is our customizable block. What it will do, it's well to make a space. So when green flag is clicked, move 10 steps and repeat 10 times. Repeat 10. Without putting right here, you can duplicate it and put it right here. What have I done? So on the customizing block, I have to make it again. So Q to oopsie Q B B okay, block. Run without screen refresh. Click on OK. Put it right there. And when green flag is clicked, move 10 steps right, put it right here, and repeat it 10 times. So what it'll do nothing. If I put a tutorial block right here and click on green flag, the cat goes like 10 steps, 10 steps, 10 steps, like that. If I go to edit and remove the run without screen refresh and click on OK, then this will do a bit of animation. So what is an input? An input is an input. Oops, sorry. An input is an input where you can put or write something and you can write it in block, just like X position and Y position blocks in the motions category. So I'm going to write here color and click on OK. You can see this is a little gap. You can write anything right there. You can write anything right there, and that's nothing. And if I put this right in the move 10 step block, nothing will happen because this is empty. You have to put a number right here. How about 5? Keeping the green flag and the cat moves 5 steps. 60. 60 is a lot. Oh, it moved right above the edge. It moved in the edge. And there is another input, which is this, and naming this name and name. Okay, and this is empty. You cannot put any numbers right there, but I can put this right here if I want, or I can put it in the if else box, if else loop, and the if else loop, and if else loop, and if then else loop, and the if then loops. See? And put it. For now, I'm gonna put it right here. Bye bye, bye bye, and right here I can put from the operators, but I didn't teach what is operators. Operators is the mathematical stuff. So operator, take a or and put it right there. Or what? Space key is pressed. Oops, this is not right. Space key is pressed and mouse pointer. Touching mouse pointer and key space pressed. So testing that now. Clicking the green flag. Clicking the green flag. And I have to put a forever loop right here. So forever. Green flag. Nothing happened. Space key, and the gotta go all the way there. That's funny. Let me use the draggable, which is in the sensing category. You can drag it, drag the sprite. Testing that now. I can drag my sprite right here. Oh, my mouse pointer. I touched it's running away from me. And drag it right here, even in full screen. Moves easily. This is a project. The cat will move from your mouse pointer, and it will move like that. You can use it for this. And this is my blocks. Okay, this is my blocks where you can do something without doing doing messily something. You can do like that. And this is the end of this tutorial, and I hope you guys like it. So if you like it, give us a big, my mic fall down. Give us a big like and subscribe our channel. Then and turn on the notification bell to have more of these videos to watch. So